This is how they came out. Looking really yummy. Let's give it a taste. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's really crunchy. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it tastes good. Hey guys, DejaFitBeauty, and on this channel we talk about keto, nutrition. I have workouts, follow along workouts, dance, cardio workouts. So if that's something that you're into, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And today I have a keto air fryer recipe for you. We're gonna be making Parmesan crusted zucchini fries. So if you wanna learn how to do that, stay tuned. So as you can see, I just got a brand new air fryer. It's not brand new, we've had it for about maybe 2-3 weeks. But it's pretty new, and it's a lot bigger than my other air fryer. I made like 1 or 2 other air fryer videos, maybe like a year ago. This air fryer is from Go Wise. It is a 7-core air fryer, so you can actually fit a whole chicken in here, and we have cooked a whole chicken in here, and it was so good, y'all. It tasted just like, almost like we fried it, like we deep fried a chicken. It was so good. I definitely highly suggest you frying a whole chicken in the air fryer. Anyways, today we're going to be doing zucchini fries, so let me show you what you're going to need. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some zucchini, you're going to need some almond flour, some Parmesan cheese, and some eggs. Also, you can use whatever seasoning that you want to use to season your zucchini. So first we're going to start with cutting the zucchini into fries. So first I'm going to cut the zucchini in half. Then I'm going to cut it in half the long way, and then cut it again. So you pretty much want that size for your fries. You can make it smaller if you want. Okay, finished cutting the zucchini. Now it's time to make the egg wash. You're gonna take about 2 to 3 eggs for your egg wash. Now you're gonna take your Parmesan cheese, your almond flour, and whatever seasonings you're gonna use. So I'm gonna use a little bit of seasoned salt, some pepper. Then I'm going to use this everything salt. It has like a bunch of herbs. It has, you know, oregano, rosemary, onion, all this stuff. So I'm gonna just grind this in here. Now you're just gonna make sure that everything is well mixed together. So now you're gonna take your zucchini and you're going to dredge it in the egg. Then you are going to dredge it in the Parmesan mix. Then if you want it extra crispy, you're gonna do it twice. Once you get it to stick, you're gonna place it in your air fryer, or you can put it on a baking sheet. But I'm gonna place mine. I have a baking sheet in my air fryer, so it's not like directly in the air fryer. But now we're just gonna do this, and you're gonna, you might have to do a couple batches. You might have to do more than one batch. Depending on how big your air fryer is. Alright, next I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of oil to make sure that it's crispy, and then you're gonna put it in your air fryer for 10 minutes on 400 degrees. This is how it looks inside the air fryer here. Now, if I wouldn't have used this little plate thing, I could have fit more, but I wanted to make sure I keep the air fryer as clean as possible, but that's what we're working with. So this is how they came out. So I guess Maybe not put it on 400 degrees, or maybe put it less than 10 minutes. I mean, maybe try like 8 to 9 minutes, because they look kind of burnt, but they probably taste good. This is how they came out. Looking really yummy. Let's give it a taste. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's really crunchy. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it tastes good. So I'll go ahead and link the recipe that I use in the description if you guys want to give this a try. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.